blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. There are times in life when we feel restless, we get bored, we lose patience, and even we get anxious because we want to be more productive. We want to be financially able not just for ourselves, but so we can do more in life and we can help others. You know, when we start feeling like this, the days become so heavy. And when it does, we start asking God, Lord, when is my turn? Lord, when is this door gonna be open for me? You see, it reminds me on cooking. If we are cooking a rice and we are starving, what do? We keep on opening that lid. We keep on checking if the rice is cooked. From time to time, we go there and check. But what will happen if we keep on doing that? The rice will never get cooked properly. And if it does, it's gonna be half cooked or it's gonna be watery, isn't it? What does this reminds us in life? It is the same thing that happens in our life. When we get bored or we lose patience, we keep on opening that lid too early. And what do? We keep on making rushing decision. We're trying to force the outcomes that we wanted to see. And you know what? Sometimes we also give up too quickly. But just like that rice, it needs the right amount of time, it needs the right amount of heat to get it cooked properly. The same thing with our dreams, with our prayers, and our character. It needs the right time to get it answered prayers, to build our character and our dreams to come true. You see, what did God promise in James 1 and 4? God said, "But let patience have the perfect work, that you may be perfect, entire, wanting nothing." Now, what does this verse telling us? It tells us that we should not cut the process, because patience is like those finishing touches that God can make us complete. God is shaping our character, whether it is patience on waiting, it's patience on trial, or it is in burden. So, dear brothers and sisters, let us trust God's timing. You will see that when it is completed, He will make us fruitful and be ready for His blessing to come. I hope that this message has inspired us today, and thank you all for listening. To God be the glory.